Hi, in this video I am going to answer a very common question. How can I monitor my employees' screens in a simple and reliable way? If you're a small or medium business owner or an IT service provider looking for a solution for your clients, this video is for you. Maybe you have remote staff, home office workers, or even office employees where um, you're just not sure what's really happening on the company's PCs during working hours. You don't want to spy randomly or guess. You want a clear, live view of what's happening on each screen so you can protect your business and make sure work is actually being done. In this video, I'll walk you through a full live demo um, of how to monitor employee screens with Wolfeye Remote Screen software. I'll show you how to install the monitoring client on each of the computers or on one computer, and then I'll show you how to see all connected computers on one dashboard in real time. You'll see how to open any employee screens in full size and watch it live as if you were sitting right in front of their monitor. I will also show you how you can do this remotely from your own computer or laptop, even if your employees are working from home or in another location. Of course, always make sure to follow the laws in your country and to inform employees where required. This video is a technical demo, not legal advice. So if you'd like a personal one-on-one demo, live demo with me for your company, you can book a free session on our website after watching this video. So, all right, let me switch or let me show you here the screen. Let's jump into the video. Okay, so Wolfeye Remote Screen, it's a monitoring software. It's a small piece of the software. You install it on each of your business computers. Yeah? And after you install it on the computers, I will show it to you in a minute. What you receive is the access to your dashboard. And that's like what you are seeing here. That's the demo dashboard here. That's why the password is displayed. Of course, on your dashboard, the password will not be displayed. It's here displayed so that you can visit this website and enter this demo dashboard by yourself. So this is what you will get. And you will notice that this dashboard is opened on a browser. So you will be able to see the live computer screens and everything that happens on your business computer from your computer with a browser, from your laptop with a browser, even from your smartphone. Your smartphone also has a browser. So you log into your dashboard, enter it, and what you will see will be the live computer screens for each of the computer that you have installed Wolfeye on. In this case, Wolfeye has been installed on 5 computers, and you see the live screens on this grid on 5 computers. This is a demo dashboard, so that's why you only see these pictures here, but in reality you will see the live computer screens. And live computer screens means how can I describe it? It's like a screenshot updated every 2 seconds, every 2 to 3 seconds. So you have this little delay of 2 to 3 seconds, but besides of that, you will see the live screen of that particular computer, of that, as if you were sitting in front of it by yourself, but without disturbing the work of your employees. You will have the possibility to change the column of this grid to 2 columns so that you see bigger screens at the same time, or to 3 columns so that you have more screens and have a better overview. Also, if you wanted to monitor one particular computer for take a better look, you can always click on this link for each of the computer where you read live, but not normal click, nothing happens. Right mouse click and open in a new tab is very important. And a new tab will open with a live screen of that particular computer. Again, what you see here is the demo, so that's why you don't see a real, so that's why you only see a picture, so to speak. Also, if you wanted to track what has been done in the last hours or the last 1 to 3 days, you can always enable screenshot history. That's why you read here this link that says history. If you wanted to check the history what has been done from one particular computer, again, you right mouse click on that link open in a new tab, and will access the screenshot history for that particular computer. It's in a screenshot saved every 5 minutes or every 10 minutes or every 1 minute. You set the interval for yourself by yourself. So that's what you will get. If you would like to test Wolfeye Remote Screen on your system, come to our website, wolfeye.de. And on our website, you can read here through the features, you can hit this button that says Start Free Trial. You start free trial and have and can book a demo session. You can book a demo session. You hit here the date. You will always be able to do a session for the same date. Select a time, enter your name, your email, your phone number, and for how many computers would like to use Wolfeye on. And in this demo session, Wolfeye will be installed already on my computer, and I will give you access to my dashboard. And that way you will exactly see how it works, because you will see my live screen and exactly how you will see it. And if you want, and of course my screenshot history. And if you would like to continue in the next step, we can install Wolfeye Remote Screen on 1 or 2 of your computers. Yeah? So I will send you the download link, and I will guide you through the installation process. That only takes like 1 minute or 2. We'll see it because I will demonstrate it to you how it works. And this guidance, when we do it together, I guide you, this will enable you to quickly set up Wolfeye Remote Screen by yourself for your remaining computers, so that you will be able to install it within minutes, within 1 minute or less. And that's what I will show you right now. Wolfeye is running at the moment, so let me stop it on my computer, else I cannot install it. We're going to see users public documents. Here is the installation folder of Wolfeye, and W is the folder that Wolfeye creates. I stop it. Okay, so as I said in this demo session, I will send you the download link for Wolfeye, and you download the software, and this is the setup file that you download, the installation file. So to see how quick the installation works is you just double click it, yeah, and the setup window appears, and you just hit install. You hit install and it is installed. And after that you hit finished and Wolfeye Remote Screen opens. Very easy, very fast. And the last thing you must do is to set up Wolfeye by clicking 2 buttons. The first button you must click is the share screen button, that is green here. You hit it, turns red, and it's already sharing the screen. And the next step, you must hit this blue button that says stealth mode, because hitting that button will ensure Wolfeye hides itself. You hit it, it goes into stealth mode, it hides itself. The user will not notice anything. Also hides from Task Manager. And from now on, the system will be monitored. So come to our website, schedule a Google Meet session. See you in the next video.